Okay, guys, so we've had a dip in the market and there's a lot of fear out there. There's a lot of FUD out there. And I want to talk to you guys all about that and give you a bit of reassurance and give you a little bit of structure about what you should be doing during times like this. So we'll get into the video now. Hey guys, Funsho here from We Coach Crypto. Hope you're all doing well and you are looking forward to your weekend. So, as you guys know very, very well by now, we are on a mission to help 1 million people understand cryptocurrency. And if we've helped you in any way, please make sure that you smash that like button and you're subscribed to the channel and you hit the notification bell to make sure you are getting updates on future videos. Now, one of the things I want to talk to you guys about today, but first, what I need to do is this. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of YouTubers doing this, so I'm going to give it a go. Okay, so now hopefully the views are going to go up by about tenfold just as a result of me doing that. But ultimately, guys, there is a market pullback, crash, correction, flash crash, whatever you want to call it, right? Is it finished? Probably not. Could come lower. Am I worried? No, not at all, because we're in this for the long run and this correction is going to be temporary. Okay, none of us have got a crystal ball, but you know, I'm willing to put my head on the chopping board to say that the market's going to return. It's going to go higher than it ever has done because that's all it's ever done since it started. So I expect that to continue. Adoption is going through the roof for NFTs, metaverse, DeFi. You know, this isn't slowing down. More and more people are getting involved. We're seeing big celebrities getting involved. We're seeing sports personalities getting involved. We're seeing football clubs getting involved. You know, this is going to continue to grow. And there are outside forces in play here, guys. There is a lot of manipulation because of the futures, because of margin trading, because of ETFs. And this is something that is suppressing the price of crypto. And we are not seeing the real intrinsic value of these projects, but we will. It will come back and it will come back bigger and stronger than ever. Right, so there's a few things that I want to show you guys today. I'm going to share my screen with you now. So first things first, let's have a brief market update, okay? Market cap's at 1.83 trillion, right? We're down 8.09% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is under that 40K now, which is not a good thing, unfortunately, in the short term. So we're at $38,842 as it stands. It's down 7.73% on the 24-hour. The whole market has taken a hit. The reason it has taken a hit is because the stock market has taken a hit. Now, some people will argue that the equities market is not correlated to the crypto market, but what I can show you guys is in the last 5 days, the S&P 500 has taken a very slow decline. Then we had the fake out, that bounce, and the nosedive. So yes, there is correlation, okay? What we're seeing at the moment is the stock market taking a battering. And as a result, the crypto market is taking a battering. Okay, so when we start seeing a reversal on that, you're going to see the same with the crypto market too. There are other forces in play as well. So, you know, you've got the Fed rate hikes that are expected to happen in March. Then you've also got the futures to come into play as well. So you're going to have leverage trades. I think there's a fair few million, 100 million roughly, that has still got to get liquidated. So if we see the market come down lower, those positions that people have got on longs are going to get liquidated. And as a result, that's going to bring the market down even further. Now, how far can it go? It could come as low as 30,000 with the Bitcoin price, but it might not even come that low. All right. What I see this as is like the final drop before we get a monumental bounce and a huge push and run, and the market will return. So don't be scared. Don't be worried. Okay. This is a normal thing that happens in markets. We see them pull back. These things happen. Okay. But we're in this for the long run. We know where it's going. And that's why we're invested in this market. So you've got to take the rough with the smooth. All right, guys. So the other thing that I wanted to share with you is the fear and greed index. So at the moment, we're at extreme fear, number 19, historical values now 19. Yesterday was 24. Last week was 21. Last month was 45. It's another 12 hours yet for the next update. Obviously, that figure is likely to come down somewhat. Okay. But when everything is in the red and the blood is in the streets and there is lots of fear and there is lots of uncertainty, it is the best time to buy. That's when you will make good money and good profit. When you buy the best possible discount that you can. That's what this is about, guys. Buy low, sell high. It's very, very simple. Now, another indicator that I wanted to share with you is this one right here. Now, this is from Colin Talks Crypto, and it's the Bitcoin Bull Run Index, and it's about the confidence that we're at the peak, okay? And it's only at 45, right? And if you take a look, and this has been pretty accurate as well, guys, throughout the course of Bitcoin's fruition. But if you take a look, when it's in the green, okay, that's when we've had decent bounces. When it's in the red, all right, that means that we've hit the top. So you can see that time and time again here. Okay, it's in the red up there, drops down. We've got the dark green. That's the low point. It starts going off again, and so on and so on. So what we're seeing here is it's starting to come back to the green, which is an indicator that it's starting to slowly bottom out, which is a good thing. And it's something that I've been saying to people already, that I don't see this coming too much lower. There's lots of support. We're oversold already. The volume is extremely low. Lots of people are holding their crypto off of exchanges. So sooner or later, we are going to see a monumental bounce. Is on its way, guys. So for those of you that are holding your crypto and holding your nerve, it will pay off for you. Okay. Now, next thing, I want to come back onto patience, which I've done a video on that recently. You guys have got to have patience in this marketplace. I've been through so many of these, and everyone wants to make money right now. But remember, where else can you make this kind of money? And there will be times where you are questioning whether you should have even done this in the first place. It's a roller coaster, and you've got to buckle up and just go through that ride, because it's one of those things, guys, where you've got to understand this is a huge opportunity for people, like literally life-changing opportunity. You sit there, you buy the right projects, accumulate during times like this. When you're hitting new all-time highs, pull some profit out and just repeat that process. And you'll see that your investment starts to compound and grow exponentially. But you've got to have that patience. Just to mention a few projects that I've looked at out of everything that's in the market at the moment that I think actually that is a really good buy right now, because it's severely undervalued and it's got a fantastic discount. And those are Cosmos. Okay, so Cosmos is down like 17.8% roughly. Okay, that's a good buy in my opinion. I think that project's fantastic and it's destined for good things. Another great one is Loopring. Now for the month, Loopring's down over 50%. So that is an amazing buy right now. On the 24-hour, it's down 14.8%. And the other one that I wanted to mention to you guys is Near Protocol. Now, I've shared some information about that in our inner circle as well. I think that project's going to do extremely well. It's literally doing amazing things. And that's down 12.7% for the day. So again, you're getting good discounts across the board, guys. Remember, every time this has happened, people that have bought have made the most money, because when this dip finishes, and it will finish, what happens? We go up. Okay, so if you buy now, you make more money when it gets to the top. It's that simple. Obviously, you want to make sure you've got a strategy in place for taking profit along the way, be sensible about the prices that you're expecting these projects to hit. That liquidity from the profit that you've made, you then use at times like this to buy at a discount and just keep repeating the process. It's really easy when you know how, guys. Now, for those of you that don't know how, take advantage of our free Discord. We've got news, we've got articles, we've got an investment chat, we've got an NFT chat, we've got info on the metaverse. We tell you about up and coming projects. You can join our inner circle where you get access to me directly. We can help you build a portfolio. We can help you with trading. Everything you need is there and it's free to get in. So click the link in the description and join. Now, make sure, guys, you enjoy your weekend. Do not be stressed out about what's happening in the market. Be happy if you've got liquidity to spend and go shopping. Just don't spend it all because the market might drop a bit. Hope you all have a fantastic weekend and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.